this Burj Khalifa here because it was dark and I was also talking to my fiance while I took the video. By the way, I'll be doing a voiceover in my entire video because I realized I didn't speak much in my videos. We decided to rent a bicycle so we can look around Marina Bay while waiting for our boat tour. Kapoy! Pero enjoy man. Wow. Bike pa more. Row, row, row your boat gently down the street. Oh my God. Nice view.
I like the view.
Oh, nice view.
You're my best view.
Yeah.
We stopped because it's a perfect view for picture taking. I'm so brave here. Honestly, I'm scared of riding a boat, guys, because of the big waves and shallow water. This is Dubai Marina in evening.
Now when I go to the desert, the sand will go up.
It's already grow up more, you know. Maybe you remove the machine every time you think, right?
I use a clipper.
Yeah, that's why it's already long.
Yeah.
Now you feel that it's open more, you know.
Of course.
Now when I feel you, just make like this. You feel yourself alive.
Now we have to go on a date. We have to go out, maybe a club, show off. Or go home, go to bed.
Video, sir. You know,
of course.
That's why I should do all of this.
We're having fun.
If no have video.
Yeah.
Video.
Thank you, sir.
So I have a content mo.
No.
view mo. Nice view. Oh my gosh. So nice. Wow. Gold
Grand soup something.
Okay.
That just means the grand market. She has a special name, but I don't know what that special name is.
Yeah. Wala na si Grand something. Super. We are on the way to watch the fountain show in Burj Khalifa, but then I saw this Dubai frame, so I requested to stop by so we can take a picture. Guess where we are? Oh my god. That's the tallest building.
Walk over there.
Yay! Oh my gosh.
Sit on the bench.
Yes?
Wait.
Yay!
Because it's out in front of that one. You're gonna find it.
Kailangan ko talaga makita si Burj Khalifa ng harap-harapan para mabuo yung trip ko. Char! Hey, oh my gosh, that's a Burj Khalifa, guys.
I wonder how they fish you out.
So right now we're gonna watch what you call this move?
Dubai fountain move.
Yeah. Over there. There po. Ayan, dyan. So we have to walk from here going there. Oh my gosh, yung camera ko.
This might go there.
Yeah. We arrived late and so we have to wait for the second show. Wala pa yung camera catch.